I have been trying to go vegetarian since college, and it has been such a struggle. First, I decided I wanted to be a raw foodist, and that didn't work out. And then from there, a few years later, I was like, hey, why not try this again? Maybe I won't go off the deep end with it, but baby steps. So I did, and that's when I was pregnant with my second child, and I started to feel way more nausea than I had before, or the first time around. So I Googled it. And okay, so for those of you who don't know how important vitamin B12 is, just Google it. You'll see. You can't go without this. I really just jumped into this vegetarianism thing without truly understanding all of the vitamins and things that I had to take or find another source of. And so I don't think that this is necessarily a bad thing. It's just if you're changing your diet, then yeah, of course, a lot more is just going to change than just your food. So after that, I went back to just a regular, conventional way of eating. And again, that vegetarian bug has been biting, and I finally want to do it. There are these people who are like, yes, I'm vegetarian and vegan, and this is what I cook every day. And I'm like, I don't even know what to buy at the grocery store. I'm not the best cook, so I want an easy way into this. So I decided to try my hand at a vegetarian subscription box. Right now, I have incorporated morning smoothies into my routine, and it's amazing. I have a nice, about maybe 3 to 4 hours of like very good energy because my smoothie is packed with everything in it. But around lunchtime, it falls apart. This is when I get tempted and I go to that Korean bakery. I would like to carry this healthy eating and this 90% vegan menu into my lunches and my dinners. So, to help ease this transition, I am trying out a subscription box from Purple Carrot. Now, this is not sponsored, clearly. If you're watching this when this is put on, I have about 1 subscriber. The first thing I'm loving with this Purple Carrot subscription box, and by the way, the box isn't being opened because it's already been recycled. I just made this like spur of the moment. But the first thing I love about this Purple Carrot subscription is that they put their recipes in like a little recipe book. And while this may not be the most environmentally friendly thing, if you are new to becoming a vegetarian or vegan, you want as many recipes as you can get your hands on. And this gives you like recipes for things that I didn't buy. I didn't buy their breakfast. I didn't buy their lunch. I only have 2 out of their 8 dinners, and I have recipes for them all. So the next thing I'm really liking is that they included a free vegetarian product in addition to my recipes, and it is kimchi. Just wait one moment, my fridge is a mess, and here it is. I've already had some of this. Okay, so here we go. Today we are making Moroccan chicken. Sorry, I got a quick bubble tea. I don't think this is vegan at all, and I really shouldn't be having this milk, but I love bubble tea. The first thing we are cooking is quinoa. Now I must say I am quite familiar with quinoa, so This isn't such a leap. I really want to show with this video the day-to-day journey, the struggle, what it's like to achieve something when you're just beginning and what that beginning looks like and the highs and lows of it. This video is just a part of the person, the spirit that I want to become. And so I hope you can watch this and relate. I want to spread is that we all be more transparent with each other. And when we're more transparent with each other, we will all become less judgmental because we will see the struggle in the other person and recognize it within ourselves. We need to do that because we're not perfect people, nor should we ever try to be. So I want to spread a trend or an idea of becoming more transparent in showing the nitty-gritty, the dirty details of everyday life and what it takes to get something that you want or be someone who you want to be. So this has nothing to do with cooking, nothing. But you see what I'm saying though, right? That this little part, this little transparency is just showing my daily struggle and the very conscious decisions it takes initially just to even get the ball rolling. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber and friend. So see you soon.